Good morning. All right, we are almost to the end of our season. If you noticed, the beans are looking yellowish. That's on purpose. So I wanted to show you something also for me myself as well. Duh. We're going to seed save these bad boys. So now we have some beans over here. They're still growing, which we'll still eat. Look at these here. See? Pop one off. Nice and green in the middle. Wet. See that? You can't see that. But watch this. Here you can. Seed saving on beans are so easy. You take it off, you literally pull it off. That's it. There's a seed. Check it out. Keep it in a cool, dry place, and you save beans seeds. That's it. Too simple, huh? Now I'm gonna let these on the vine a little more, or I may go ahead and pull these off because you feel it. There's feel a little damp still yet. I want these completely 100% dry before I put them away. So I don't want any fungus or any nastiness on these good and dry. So that's how easy it is to save beans. Look at that. Now you can eat these also too if you like. Save them, dry them, eat them. Just like you do beans, you buy any big box store anywhere else you want. Or I'm going to do, take a couple dozen of these, or maybe 100, who knows. Save these and plant these next year for our half-runner beans. That simple, really. So beans are that simple. All right, get planting, get seed saving. All right, have a great day. Good luck. God bless you.